Most people replace things in their home when they break completely, not when they should. The result is a house full of items quietly working against you, harboring bacteria, reducing air quality, costing more in energy, and performing at a fraction of their original effectiveness. You just don't notice because the decline happened gradually. Here are 8 home items you should have already replaced, and exactly how to know when each one has passed its useful life. Number 1. Your toothbrush or toothbrush head. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush every 3 months. Most people replace theirs every 8 to 12 months, if at all. By the 3-month mark, the bristles have frayed enough that they clean teeth significantly less effectively and harbor bacteria that no amount of rinsing fully removes. The visual cue most people wait for, visibly splayed bristles, already indicates the toothbrush has been ineffective for weeks. The replacement trigger should be the calendar, not the appearance. If you use an electric toothbrush, the replacement heads follow the same 3-month rule. Set a recurring phone reminder right now. It costs almost nothing, and the impact on your dental health over years is significant. Number 2. Your kitchen sponge. The kitchen sponge is consistently ranked among the most bacteria-laden objects in the average home, more contaminated than a toilet seat in multiple microbiological studies. The warm, moist, food particle-rich environment of a kitchen sponge is ideal for bacterial growth, and bacteria double in population roughly every 20 minutes under optimal conditions. Most people use the same sponge for weeks or months, occasionally microwaving it and assuming that solves the problem. Studies show microwaving a sponge reduces bacteria temporarily, but actually allows more resistant strains to repopulate faster. Replace your kitchen sponge every 1 to 2 weeks without exception. They cost almost nothing. The alternative is washing your dishes with one of the most bacteria-dense objects in your home. Number 3. Your pillows. Most people sleep on the same pillows for years, sometimes a decade or more. What they don't realize is that over time, pillows accumulate dead skin cells, dust mites, mold spores, and body oils in quantities that washing cannot fully address. A 2-year-old pillow can be up to a third of its weight in dead skin and dust mite matter. Beyond hygiene, an old pillow loses its structural support, leading to poor neck alignment during sleep, disrupted sleep quality, and morning neck and shoulder pain that most people attribute to stress or posture rather than their pillow. The replacement guideline is every 1 to 2 years for synthetic pillows and every 2 to 3 years for quality down or memory foam pillows. The fold test is a reliable indicator. Fold your pillow in half and release it. If it stays folded rather than springing back, it has lost its support and needs replacing. Number 4. Your air conditioner or air purifier filter. A clogged air filter doesn't just reduce air quality. It forces your air conditioning unit to work significantly harder to push air through the blockage, consuming more electricity and accelerating wear on the motor. Most households are paying more on their electricity bill every month simply because they haven't cleaned or replaced a filter that costs a few dollars and takes 10 minutes to address. Air conditioner filters should be cleaned monthly and replaced every 3 to 6 months depending on usage. Air purifier filters typically require replacement every 6 to 12 months. Check the indicator light if your model has one, or set a calendar reminder if it doesn't. A clean filter means cleaner air, lower electricity consumption, and a longer-lasting appliance. The cost of neglecting it far exceeds the cost of the replacement filter. Number 5. Your cutting board. Plastic cutting boards develop deep grooves and knife scars over time that harbor bacteria in quantities that surface washing cannot reach. Once the grooves are deep enough to be visible, no amount of scrubbing fully sanitizes the board. Bacteria survive in the grooves through repeated washing cycles. Wooden cutting boards have natural antimicrobial properties, but still require replacement when deep cracks appear. The general guideline is to replace plastic boards every 1 to 2 years, or when significant scarring is visible, and wooden boards every 3 to 5 years with proper oiling maintenance. Use separate boards for raw meat and produce regardless of age. Cross-contamination from a single board is one of the most common causes of foodborne illness in home kitchens. Number 6. Your bath towels. Bath towels should be replaced every 1 to 2 years under regular use. Over time, the fibers break down and lose their absorbency. You've likely noticed a towel that smears moisture around rather than absorbing it. More importantly, towels accumulate dead skin cells and moisture that create ideal conditions for mold and bacterial growth, regardless of how frequently they're washed. The smell test is reliable. A towel that smells musty immediately after drying is already harboring mold spores that washing at normal temperatures doesn't fully eliminate. Wash towels every 3 to 4 uses, hang them fully spread to dry after every use, and replace them when absorbency noticeably declines or the musty smell persists after washing. Number 7. Your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This is the most important replacement on this list and the one most people never think about. Smoke detectors have a functional lifespan of 8 to 10 years, after which the sensing technology degrades and the detector may fail to trigger in an actual fire. Carbon monoxide detectors have a shorter lifespan of 5 to 7 years. Most people never replace these unless the battery dies, and some detectors are hardwired with no battery indicator at all. Check the manufacture date printed on the back of every detector in your home right now. If it's older than the recommended lifespan, replace it immediately. This is not a cost-benefit calculation. A smoke detector that fails to activate in a fire is worse than no smoke detector at all because it creates false confidence. Replace them on schedule without exception. Number 8. Your running or walking shoes. Most people replace their shoes when they look worn, which is almost always after the cushioning and support have already degraded significantly. The visible upper of a shoe lasts far longer than the midsole foam that actually protects your joints. Running and walking shoes should be replaced every 500 to 800 kilometers of use, roughly every 6 to 12 months for someone exercising regularly. Worn midsole foam provides dramatically less shock absorption, increasing the stress on your knees, hips, and lower back with every step. If you've been experiencing unexplained knee or lower back pain during or after exercise, your shoes may be the cause. Press your thumb firmly into the midsole. If it feels hard and unresponsive rather than slightly springy, the cushioning is gone and replacement is overdue. None of these replacements are expensive individually, but collectively, living with degraded versions of all 8 creates a home environment that quietly affects your health, your sleep, your energy bills, and your safety in ways that are entirely avoidable. Go through this list this weekend and identify which items in your home are overdue. Start with the smoke detectors. That one is non-negotiable. Everything else can be replaced gradually as budget allows. Subscribe to Live Smarter Daily for weekly videos on money, health, productivity, and home. Everything busy adults actually need to know. See you in the next one.